In this video, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Power Pages portal package upgrade. Now, as you see in the screen over here, this is make.powerpages.microsoft.com website. And here I'm in Girish Prod environment and I have created one website. Now, for Power Pages to work seamlessly, it also has its own set of code base in the backend. Now, packages basically contains all the code which is required to render the site as well as do some configuration for this website to get provisioned. Now, it is very essential to get it updated frequently, and also if you are moving your site from one environment to another, make sure that all the environment has the same version updated in all the places. Now, I'll give you a demo in a while. Now, if you see here, this is your make.powerpages.microsoft.com. Now, if you want to know where that Power Pages core packages reside, what you need to do is you need to go to the Power Platform Admin Center and you can pick up any environment. Okay, for me, it's say Girish Dev. Okay, this is one of the environment. Now, there are ways to navigate to your Power Pages site from Power Platform Admin Center. Now, here, if you see under resources, you can navigate to Power Pages site from here as well. Okay. Now, let's assume if we go from here to Power Pages site, here you can see all the security and analytics related stats for your site, and you can see the same site over here. Now if you click over here, you have something called as manage, and then there is check portal packages for upgrade. So if there are any portal packages which needs an upgrade, it will allow you to install it. Okay, so let me click on this check portal packages for upgrade. Now here, it will check whether the portal packages are available or not, and it has found that the portal package upgrades are available for this particular environment. Select OK to go to the portal environments page where you can upgrade the portal package. Okay, so if you click on OK, it will take you to that portal page. Okay, now I'm not going to click on OK. What I'm going to show you is like there is another way to navigate to that. Okay, if you click on environments and if you select your specific environment, and from here you just selected this environment. No, I'm not going into the detailed view, but I'm going into the resources from here. Okay, if I'm going to the resources from here and if I click on Power Pages site, now see what happens in the screen. Now on the top bar you will see that portal package upgrade available for this environment. If I click here, then it will allow me to update the portal packages. If I want to see the details of the portal packages, I can click over here. Like if I click here, it says website package detail, and here it will give you an information about the Power Pages packages. Power Page site consists of solution from different packages in an environment. Consider the following before upgrade. So now it is very essential that whenever you want to migrate a solution from one environment to another, make sure that the Power Pages core installed version matches from your source to the destination. Okay, so it should be, I would say, not way far, but if it is same, then that is good. Okay, now if you see here, this Power Pages core version is 1.0.2401.75. Okay, now, there is no update available. That's why you can't install. But here, for Dataverse base portal, the upgrade is available. So if I tick over here and then if I click on update, then this particular base portal will get upgraded. Okay. Now, what does the Power Pages packages contain? So it contains the Dataverse base portal, the base portal for the Dataverse backend data store. Then set of templates. So Power Pages blank template, blank design, uh, Power Pages bookend meeting template. Then there is an integration part from Stripe. Okay, so there is a solution for that. And then there are other Power Portal program registration anchor. Okay, now this Microsoft keeps on updating this, so it is very essential to come here and make sure that it is all upgraded to the right version. Now, if I go into another environment, so let me go into, so I'm in say Girish Dev environment. Let me go into Girish Prod environment, okay, which is like much a higher version, which I'm getting the feed, like say updates quite frequently. So if I go here, if I go to Power Pages side, I'm doing the same thing. It is telling me that there is a package which is update is pending. Now here I can see lot of other things. I can see building permit, which is 1.2307, which was not available over here. Then I can see site design 003 and 002. Here there was no site design. Okay, so that means for specific environment this packages may differ if you are getting an update frequently or which channel you are in. Okay, are you in monthly channel or semi-annual channel? So as you see over here, these two environments located in different region, it has a different set of packages in it, like a different versions. Okay, now for both data was base portal 932307, and here data was base portal 932307, and I have an upgrade available. So if I want to upgrade, what I'll do, I'll click on this, I'll click on update. Okay, now the moment I do that update, it will tell you that you have selected to upgrade the following packages. Package upgrade may take some time. Now while the upgrade is in progress, you can see some instability in your portal, so don't do it during your live working hours. Do it in the midnight or off working hours. Hence, upgrade the package during off peak hours. Solutions in the package are upgraded. Hence, the selected package will upgrade for all portals in the environment. So, this packages applies to all the portal within your environment. So now in this particular environment, Girish brought, there is only one site. Now, if I go into my other environment, there are two sites. So this particular portal package upgrade is applicable for all the website hosted. Okay, it is not specific to any website, it is specific to an environment. Now let me start the upgrade for this as well. I click on confirm, and let me do the upgrade for this and click on confirm. So now it will tell you that portal packages is getting updated. Okay, so if I click again here, it will start updating. It says install requested. Okay, it will start installing it one by one. Here as well, if I go to website package details, here it will tell you that the update is happening. It's installing something over here. And here there will be status update as please wait while the installation starts. This may take a few minutes. Okay, this is how you can monitor the portal packages upgrade. Now, what exactly it contains? Okay, when you say portal packages, where can I see that packages? Okay, now as I told you that this is very much fundamental to the Power Pages application as a whole. Okay, so in order to view that, you need to go into specific environment, go into make.powerapps.com. Now I'm in Girish prod environment, so that's one of the environment which I have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into solutions. Now in solutions, I will go into the manage solutions. Now here, if you see in the manage solution, there will be lot of Power Pages related solutions. Now how to identify that is just by going and looking into the name part. Okay, now here if I just scroll, you will see something called as let me just scroll a bit. Yeah, so if you see this one, Dataverse Starter Portal, Dataverse Base Portal, Portal Site-wide RP Service App, Dynamics 365 Portals, all these solutions, portal dependencies. Okay, till here, these all belongs to the Power Pages or Power Portal site. Okay, some of them still uses the old prefixes of ADX. Okay, or Dynamics 365 Portal or Power Pages or Power Apps Portal. So these are the portal packages which gets installed and updated every time. Okay, so if you see here, Dataverse Starter Portal 932209, and if I go here, this is Girish Prod, and if I go to here 932304. Okay, now this will get updated eventually. Okay, and then you will have those solutions updated over here. Now what does it contain? So let me go into the Dataverse base portal. So if I go into this solution, here I will see various objects which is connected to the solution. Now here in Dataverse base portal, there is nothing because I think Microsoft is cleaning up the older versions. Okay, and that's why this portal existed. Now let me go back, go into managed, and see the other solutions. So Dynamics 365 portals, base HTML editor or web notification or timeline or feedback or advanced form. Okay, so let me go into Dataverse starter portal and see what it contains. Some of the solutions might be blank, it may not even contain anything. Like here it does not have anything listed. If I again go back, and if I go to Dynamics 365 portals, which is also again in old name, okay. So if I go to base HTML editor, so these are all installed as a part of those Dynamics 365 application. Now this particular Dynamics 365 base HTML editor contains a lot of web resources. Now there are some code components in it, there are data, there's an images, okay. So these are some of the things which are which help the Power Pages site to load the solutions and then ask the user to get it provisioned. Similarly, if I just scroll down, now there are many solutions. We can't go one by one, and then I can't show you everything at once. But then if you start exploring it, it will have all these things listed over here. Like you have portal dependency, portal base system workflows, portal based workflow, identity. So if I go into, let's say, portal base, then it has choices, it has plugin assemblies, it has plugin steps, it has tables in it. Now if you see the portal base, what table it has all the underlying tables related to the Power Pages site, like account, portal language, redirect, shortcut, setting, site marker. Like how we have the site marker table, so that is also one of the table, and all your information with regards to site marker gets stored in this particular table, okay. Then you have site setting, then you have a user table, you have a tag table, uh, you have a publishing state, okay. Now if you see here, anything you store in the site marker gets eventually stored over here. So if you make a change over here, which you should not, okay, then it will get reflected over there, okay. So similarly, if I go to site setting, okay, now there will be a lot of custom site setting which we may have added into that prod environment. So those all things are available as a part of Dynamics 365 portal base. And if you see here, it has all the name, description, value, and then it actually specifies which website it belongs to, okay. So that's it, folks. Basically, this is just a short introduction on the Power Pages packages, the portal packages, which forms the foundation for Power Pages application. And it is very essential for you guys to understand that this needs to be updated frequently. And this should be the first checklist once you think about starting this migration of Power Pages site from one environment to another. Make sure that all the Power Pages core solution, Dataverse based portal, all this thing matches. It holds a complete parity between all this environment, so that your deployment is smooth and you don't encounter any issue while doing those solution migration from one environment to another. Thanks for watching.